welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Thank you for joining me on my first video in this new year of 2021. I'm expecting great things to happen this year despite of some of our current events. I am faithful we will get through this. Love conquers all. I hope you all had a wonderful and restful holiday season. During our holiday season, I had a wonderful staycation spending time with my husband and kids. We were able to do many outside activities safely. My family were the main inspiration for this video since they love tacos. They request tacos on a weekly basis. They even requested for our Christmas meal, which I did not do. I needed to change things up and I wanted to do something quick. My dish was completed in 20 minutes or less. I used the leftover meat for making tacos a couple of days just before. I had my pre-chopped vegetables. I dropped them right into the pan. I added my own taco seasoning, some enchilada sauce, and I came up with my version of spaghetti tacos, but not like the iCarly show. Do you guys remember that show? It was a cute show. Now let's get right into it. Now, as you will see, I layered in the different flavors, and as I went along, I continued to taste. This is not a sponsor video, but I do like using the Badia and the organic seasonings because a lot of them do not have added salt. Some of the Badia one that I use did have salt, and you'll see I use a smaller amount. So again, if you're using the same seasoning that I was using, go ahead and feel free to comfortably use the same amount of seasoning that I did. But if you're using some other type of seasoning, just again, make sure that you taste your food so that it won't be too salty. The recipe below has the total seasoning amount that I used. I hope you enjoyed my video. Make sure to share and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Thanks so much.